mi gente. We're going back home, mi gente. Ponce de León, England. Lighthouse. Got utility people right here, people. And we've been here before. So I'm gonna hit A18, my people. We're going Ocean Way. Beautiful area here, my people. Today is July 17, 2024. We got 77 degrees at 9:20 in the morning, my people. In Daytona Beach. We are in the Ponce de León, England. We're gonna head back home. And let's enjoy this ride because it's better keep the camera rolling than don't keep it rolling. Because sometimes, the other day I made a video when I was driving back home from Smyrna, and when I was crossing the airport, a big giant plane from the army passed right in front of my windshield, arriving on the little airport. And I missed it because I didn't have the camera running. So it's good to keep it running even if I put the video or not. You know what I mean? Take me surfing, baby. A lot of cars making the line to go to the water. In the beach ramp. So my people, we're gonna keep it rolling the camera. We cannot stop it. Because you never know when the surprise is there. You know what I mean, people? No signal around here. Another beautiful day here, people, in paradise. In Daytona Beach. In Daytona. Ay, es que... Ay, no. Nice and clear, my people. 80 degrees right now. Can't get better than that. 9:23 in the morning. Over here is the land of paradise. So we're going back to Daytona Beach. Basically, around here it's like Port Orange, I would say. And Holly Hill, my town. Holly Hill is in between Daytona Beach, North Daytona Beach, and Armond Beach. It's a small town, they name it Holly Hill. Gotta let it pass the authority, the firefighter truck. You never know when they can get a call. They go first. This is Route 818, my people. Atlantic Avenue. Now we got the ocean on the right hand side because we're going north. Driving north, people, on A18. Make another short video. Nice and quiet, people. Today's Wednesday, July 17th, and we coming back from the England, Ponce de Leon, England, the Lighthouse and the statue. Sunny day, 82 degrees, my people, in paradise, Atlantic Avenue, in Daytona Beach, shoreline. On the right hand side, we got the ocean. And we're gonna cross the Downtown Bridge, the first one, from the inlet going north. The first one is the Downtown Bridge. And let's see what we got over there, my people. Are you good? Make sure the dog, the pets, they got water, they got food, my people, before you go out. Grandma, grandpa, make sure they got everything before you go to the beach. Or before you go out. Make sure when you go on the hot day and you bring your dog in your car, don't leave it inside the car. Please, they can die. Make sure you don't have nobody in the back seat. Because people, even they forgot their child. And then they got a problem with the law. You don't want that happen. And it's happened before. So my people, I think this is the Downlongton Bridge coming next. Me, when I get home, I'm gonna go to the supermarket, buy the grocery, more grocery, because I like crazy, my people. This is the Downlongton Bridge Avenue, Boulevard, Downlongton Boulevard. And the bridge is right here. We got a video crossing it. Because now we're to continue, because we've been there before. Now, Beach Street, we've been there also. I might take Nova North. Look at the beautiful view. Look. This is the inlet. All that water coming from the ocean, my people. And from here, if you want to go to the ocean, you gotta go through the inlet, Ponce de Leon inlet, and go to the ocean there. You can take 95 too, also. This time we're gonna continue straight, my people, because this is Richwood. We've been there so many times. Oh, the train. The train is crossing, man. And I want to cut that train. Look at the train, my people. Enjoy the train. That's why I say, keep the camera rolling, my people. Keep the camera rolling, people. Look at the train. Nice, nice. Look at, it's, I will say like 1 mile long, that train, my people. You always hear the train when I do a meditation video. And we always crossing the rail, look at it. We got the train now. And I was saying about keep the camera rolling. very long train. Cargo. Everything there is cargo. You got cars, you got grocery, you got rice, you got beans, you got frozen food, you got, you name it, cars, motorcycle, boats. In those containers, they full of everything, man. That's the economy moving this. All this cargo, they might come from different countries. They go to the port, they fill it on the train, they put it in the train, they might go to Virginia, they might make a stop in South Carolina, North Carolina, Maryland. It's a lot of product. That train might be like 1 mile long or more. My people. What a beautiful morning. Ay, que in that train might be cargo from Switzerland, Europe, the Caribbean, you know. It's very low train. I love it that we got the train. We making right on Nova, on North Nova. This is a Spring Creek. Keep going, my people. This is the post office here in Downtown. We're looking for Nova Road to get back home. Nova, my people. We're gonna hit home, baby. Five-A. Nova Road is 5A. Route 5A. Ahí es que we make it the right turn on Nova, my people. Beautiful day, my people, in paradise. We driving North Nova. This is the area of Port Orange. Hello. This is Herbert. Herbert 3. You can drive 50 here. Driving North Nova, my people, to Holy Hill Town. On a nice and beautiful day here in Daytona Beach, Volusia County. Come here, my people. Come to the land of paradise. We drive in Route 1A, North Nova. Sky, we have an 85-degree temperature right now, 9:45 on a beautiful Wednesday, July 17th. We're driving from the inlet back home. Bedville, we cross the bridge too. Bedville have a bridge that cross to the shoreline. We cross it before a family. It's in one of my videos. And then the next one is Orange Avenue Bridge. People, I'm glad that we saw the train, my people. I'm very glad. this is Bellevue Avenue, my people, Bellevue. Museum of Art and Science on the left. Like a maniac. On a 45 speed limit. Switching line like a zigzag. Yeah, I love it. Ooh, no. Unbelievable. Driving like a zigzag. My people, don't listen to me. Oh my God, man. This is getting better. Getting good, man. My people, this is the intersection of Nova and International Speedway Boulevard. Route 92. Oh my God. Yeah. You gotta watch those drivers, my people, on the rear view mirror. Those drivers that they drive, like switching like all over the place, man. Gotta be careful with those people too, because you're doing the speed limit and they switching like a zigzag, and then they come and hit you. When you're doing the speed limit. And these people, they switching all over the place. They're not gonna go nowhere. Where they gonna go? I'm gonna keep my mouth shut, man. I think I better off. I don't know what kind of medication they take, man. Give me some of that. Oh my God, look at it. And our next intersection is gonna be Mason. Mason. When we go to the backyard, we always take Mason Bridge, which is Route 430. They got a camera here in this intersection only. In New York, you have a camera in every corner. Red light camera and a speed camera too. They want to suck all your money. They want to suck it. Those stay, Those DEM stay. They want to suck all your money, man. You know why, right? Man, that's why I don't pay attention to politics. That's not my life. That's why I came here to Florida. Red state, not blue state. In blue state, you pay more taxes than red state. My people are talking too much. Hey, my people, don't forget to subscribe and comment so I can I can mention your name when I give the hi to all my subscribers. I start doing that. Put the name on my list, so when I say hi, I got my list of all my people. And if you're a viewer, subscribe and become part of it. You know, part of the channel. Man, it's not only me, it's you too. That's what they call it, you too. You too, T-O-O, you too, is part of it. It's not only me. Me, I'm doing my job here behind the wheel. You doing at home in front of your TV. Enjoy it, my people. God bless you. God bless America. This is LPGA, and I only live like a couple of blocks from here. God bless you, and God bless every country in the world. Bye.